Hello students, I welcome you all to this classroom. Today's topic is 4-digit numbers on the abacus. You know what is an abacus? An abacus is a simple device used for calculations. An abacus itself doesn't calculate, but it helps human being to calculate. This is an abacus. In abacus, each bit represents counting unit and each rod represents places, that is, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Let's understand this better through an example. Look at here. Here we have an abacus, and these are the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Look at the ones place. How many bits are there at ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 bits. So write 5 below ones place. Now go to the next rod. In the next rod we have how many bits? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write 4 below tens place. Now go to the next place, that is hundreds place. In hundreds place we have 1, 2 bits. So write 2 below hundreds place. Now go to the next place, that is thousand. In thousands place how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bits are there. So write 3 below thousands place. Now what is the number? Now we got the number, that is 3245. Let's write this numeral in standard form. So the standard form of this numeral is 3245. Let's find the place values. You know what is place value? Okay, place value of a digit is the digit multiply the place where the digit is. For example, look at here. 3. 3 is at thousands place. So the place value of 3 will be 3 multiply 1000. Now go to the next place, that is hundreds place. Which digit is there at hundreds place? 2. So the place value of 2 is 2 multiply 100. Now go to the next place. Next place is tens place. Who is the tens place? 4. So the place value of 4 is 4 multiply 10. Now go to the next digit. The next digit is 5. 5 is at which place? Ones place. So the place value of 5 is 5 multiply 1. After multiplying, what will be the products? So let's see. 3 multiply 1000 equals to 3000. 2 multiply 100 equals to 200. 4 multiply 10 equals to 40. 5 multiply 1 equals to 5. Let's write this in expanded form. Now we will write the expanded form of the numeral 3245. So expanded form is nothing but the sum of all the place values. So let's write. So the expanded form of 3245 is 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5. So this is the expanded form of this number 3245. Now let's write the word form of this number 3245. The word form is 3 is a thousand form, thousands place, so we will write 3245. Let's go to another example to clear our concept. See, here we have another abacus having places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. How many bits are there at ones place? 1, 2. 2 bits are there. So I will write 2 below ones place. How many bits are there in tens place? No bits. So we will write 0. How many bits are there at hundreds place? Only one bit is there. So I will write 1 below 100. How many bits are there at thousands place? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will write 4 below thousands place. So the numeral is 4102. So let's write the standard form of this numeral. So the standard form of this numeral, that is 4102. Let's find the place values. As we have already studied, the place value is the of a digit is the digit multiply the place where the digit is. So 4 is at thousand place. So the place value of 4 is 4 multiply 1000. Place value of 1 is 1 multiply 100 because 1 is at hundreds place. So the place value of 0 is 0 multiply tens. That is 10. 0 multiply 10 because 0 is at tens place. Now the next digit is 2. 2 is at which place? Ones place. So 2 multiply 1. Now let's find the product. So 4 multiply 1000 is 4000. 1 multiply 100 is 100. 0 multiply 10 is 0. When you will multiply 0 by any number, the product is always 0. 2 multiply 1 is 2. Let's write the expanded form of this numeral. So expanded form, as we have studied, nothing but the sum of all place values. So expanded form will be 4000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 2. Now we will write the word form of this numeral. The word form of this numeral will be 4 is at thousands place. So 4102. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you.